Hey there, this is Andrew, Product Genius here at East Bay BMW, and today we are bringing you a What's New in 2018 video. So we've had a couple new cars come in to the dealership, and really 2018 going into 2019, it's going to be a really busy time for BMW. Here we're looking at the new i3S. So this is one of the new cars for 2018. BMW came out with a sports version of the i3. We're looking at a car that's doing 0 to 60 in right around like 6.8 seconds, probably less than that. I'm willing to bet if you look online, there are people that have gotten faster than 6.8. Fastest I've heard so far is 6.6, 0 to 60, which for a little city-going all-electric car, that is a lot of fun in a really small package. This particular car, you're going to see it's got the fender flares on it. It's got the all-black wheel options, a little more meat on those wheels as well. We've got the sunroof that's on there, slightly different interiors now for i3, kind of like a modern BMW houndstooth. It actually looks pretty sharp. iDrive 6.0 Apple CarPlay compatibility. It's coming in really strong in the compact electric vehicle market. The i3S is definitely a lot of fun for the money. Of course, for those of you that are familiar with i3, you're going to notice the interior in terms of ergonomics and structure. It's not really changing a whole lot. There you can see some of the new interior material on the front seats. But overall, the car is relatively unchanged in terms of where things are, the layout, and the buttons. But iDrive 6.0 there, as we can see, it's looking really sharp. BMW i cars, or the i brand cars, the theme has always been through the iDrive system, kind of this hue of blue in the background and in the foreground in the different menus. And you can see on here, everything is blue. The map is a shade of blue. I really like the look of it. I kind of wish that we would get that in all of the other BMWs because it looks really sharp. But it's, of course, just reserved for the i cars. So i8, i3 are getting that blue-hued iDrive 6.0 system and Apple CarPlay compatibility for 2018, 2019. But otherwise, as we go through here, you're going to notice graphics are also updated. The system is faster than the outgoing i3. There we can see steering wheel buttons, pretty much the same. This particular car has adaptive cruise, but really otherwise button layout remains the same. Great car though. The i3S is a lot of fun, and you definitely can notice the difference. Maybe not so much 0 to 30, 35, but that 35 to 60, that getting up to speed on the highway sensation, you really feel the difference. So really nice car. Definitely come start checking these out. We got two in. We've already sold them. They're great cars. Also, new M5. The F90 M5 is here. Monster of a car. Car and Driver has rated it #1 in their sports sedan segment. That was a great article, by the way, so if you definitely want to buzz over to Car and Driver and read that article, they compare BMW against Mercedes and a couple other cars. It really is very well done, very professionally done review of those cars. But of course, BMW F90 M5 comes out on top. Honestly, all other things aside, I'm not surprised. This car is ridiculous in capability. Of course, luxury. This is really, it's not as toned up. It's not as loud and shouty design-wise as, say, like a competition package M3. But you definitely know it's an M5. It really does kind of, embody the business athlete phrase that this new 5 Series kind of came to market with, that catchphrase, business athlete. Great car, though. Come check this out as soon as you can, because I'm pretty sure when it comes to M5s, these things, we're not going to have any in inventory for more than a week. They're just going to go very fast, if not already taken as customer orders. Gorgeous cars, though, but this is what's new for 2018. So come on down, check it out, and we will catch you in the next Genius video.